I really miss the good old MP4 players. Would be nice to have a modern one that can play Spotify on the go. Let's fire up Word to draw a sketch of what it could look like. Trust me, it's like a tattoo. It looks better at the end. Let's draw the LEDs that shows the music progress bar. And now the piano keys buttons. Let's get extra spicy by adding a nice volume knob. Of course, we need a power switch and USB-C. And why not a little rubber fancy logo on the side? It is now the fun part. Let's add some textures. So tell me, would you use this kind of device or stick to your phone?